wa Mwala Vincent Musyoka nĩrĩtie atongoria arĩa maragwetanio na ũmomori wa manyũmba na mĩako ĩngĩ mwena wa Mavoko metĩkĩre mahĩtia mao handũ ha kũgeria gwĩtetera na gũkuithia andũ matarĩ na mahĩtia mũrigo ũcio. Musyoka augĩte atĩ nĩ ũndũ wa kĩeha kuona atĩ mathũkagĩrio ũtonga ũrĩa makinyanĩirie na thigino, akiuga atĩ ateti mabatie gũtigĩrĩra atĩ rũhonge rwa DCI nĩ rwatabania ũthuthuria Baranginyo.
I am surprised why some of the leaders turn to be abusive when we are asking the DCI to conduct investigations. Not unless then they have something to hide. When I looked at some of their lips and even the way they are blinking their eyes, you could easily tell they are guilty. And we are going to provide enough evidence. There are some even new teams of victims who approached me yesterday. And these ones, they have already invaded private land, lots of acres, and we have even the names of some of the leaders who have been mentioned. And some of those leaders are the ones who are seen trying to defend themselves. Interestingly, they are proxies, they have used their proxies, their family members. And we have those documents. So we are going to share those documents with the DCI. And I want to encourage any greedy leader, instead of jumping up and down, please, the right thing would be to return what you've stolen.